What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at a new knife that I've been eyeballing for a while. It is the Blackside Customs and Strider Knives SLCC Slim Light Concealed Carry. I've been on the fence about this knife. I'm like, man, is it going to be comfortable? I took a chance and we're going to look at it today. Alrighty, here we are. Here's your little identification mark. Mixed Strider design. CTS-XHP steel, G10. Okay, very, very nice. Alright, let's get to the knife. Alright, so we got the OD green. Okay, nice Kydex. Probably would have been nice if it actually put two straps on here just instead of just one. Wow, that Kydex is tight. Alright, so here we are. This handle was the thing that kind of caught me up. I'm like, man, awfully small for such a big blade. But you know what though? Really feels really good. It just designed, I guess, just to really fit in the swell of your hand like that. And you really do have a really good grip. I mean, this finger twirl right here, just in the way that this sits in your hand, yeah, it just really locks you in really nice. Yeah, it doesn't give you a lot of opportunities. You could kind of do it this way, I guess, but yeah, you can kind of do it that way too. It does fit pretty good. You do lock in again pretty good in your hand, but yeah, this way, yeah, fits really good. So, and that's a nice big blade, not super thick. Let's see. See what, especially for Strider, because Striders do, but that's the slim carry aspect of it. So yeah, not a little under 4 millimeters. So yeah, fairly slim. Nice aggressive Tanto right there. I do like that. Like I said, not going to give you a lot of choices of really how to hold it. I mean, like a typical knife you can kind of hold in a bunch of different variations, but I do like that. That is pretty nice. And that Kydex is strong. I mean, that sucker's not going anywhere. So again, that kind of brings me back to the one strap, which I'm assuming is a belt loop. Yeah, you really, for as tight as that Kydex is, it might loosen up a little bit over time, but I would say another strap probably would have been nice. I'll probably go with a more of a hard point belt, because yeah, that Kydex is strong. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I actually gotta say, I've been on the fence for a while on it, but man, that's pretty nice. Take care of your basic EDC task, and as far as self-defense, yeah, I mean, I'm not going to grab that out of your hand. I mean, like right there. I'm just like, right there. I am just totally locked into that. I mean, that's not coming out of my hand. I mean, you are just locked into that knife. You just go crazy on whatever you need to go crazy on. But yeah, there you go. That's just the unboxing of the Blackside Customs and Strider Knives SLCC collaboration knife. Pretty cool. There's the card. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you next time. Have a great day.